Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Fonts to match brand typography standards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Fonts website. Browser search for the font that aligns with your brand's typography standards. Click on the desired font to view its details. Select the specific font styles you need by checking the boxes next to them. Click the Embed tab on the right side of the screen. Copy the provided HTML link or the import code for your project. If you're using HTML, paste the link into the head section of your website. If you prefer CSS, paste the import code at the top of your style sheet. Open your CSS file where you define your typography. Use the font in your CSS by specifying the font family with the appropriate name. Ensure you provide fallback fonts for better compatibility. Check the font weight and style you want to apply. Test the font by saving your changes and refreshing your web page. Verify that the font appears correctly in various browsers. Adjust any other typography settings, such as font size and line height, to match your brand. Review your site to ensure consistency with your brand's visual identity. Make any final adjustments needed for perfect integration. Consider revisiting your font choices periodically to stay aligned with your evolving brand standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.